In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Trello board. Start by logging into Trello so you can see your boards and workspaces. Once you're in, look to the top left for the Trello logo. Selecting it takes you to your home page where you'll get a high-level overview of activity across your account, including things you've worked on recently. Across the top, you'll find the global search. This is the fastest way to find boards and cards across all your workspaces. Type a keyword, a project name, or even a teammate's name to narrow things down quickly. Next to that, open the notification panel to review and respond to mentions, due date changes, and other alerts so you never miss updates. On the right, your profile menu gives you quick access to your assigned cards, account settings, and appearance options like light or dark mode. To move between projects, use the board switcher. You can open it from the navigation bar or press the B key as a shortcut. Search for a board by name or pick from your starred, recent, or workspace boards. If you visit multiple boards frequently, pin the board switcher to the left edge of your screen so it stays open as a sidebar. In that sidebar, you'll also see your workspaces. Selecting a workspace lets you manage members, adjust workspace settings, and explore different views. Once you're on a board, focus your work using the header and main board area. The board name is shown at the top. Select it anytime to rename the board. If your plan includes it, you can switch views like calendar, table, timeline, or map to see work from different perspectives. To zero in on what matters, use filters to find cards by keyword, member, due date, or label. If this is a board you'll return to often, star it for easy access from home and the board switcher. On the right side, open the board menu, your Mission Control Center. Here you can manage settings, change backgrounds, enable power-ups for added features, and review the board's activity stream to see what changed and when. Every Trello board is made up of lists and cards. Navigate your workflow by moving these elements as work progresses. Drag and drop cards between lists to reflect status changes and reorder lists by dragging them horizontally to match your process. Select any card to open its back where you can add descriptions, checklists, due dates, attachments, and comments to keep everything organized. And if you ever archive a card or list by mistake, open the board menu and head to Archived Items to find and restore it.